Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm finally doing it. It took me a while because I'm lazy and stupid, but I'm finally going to be reacting to your setups that you posted on my Discord. I have a lot of stupid and fun-looking setups to go through from my Discord community, so let's get right into it. I do not condone doing things that are bad. Don't do things that are bad or illegal. I'm not doing anything illegal or bad, but I'm just telling you not to. First setup is from the_bean on our Discord, and what is this? Disclaimer, I did tell every person that if they are going to submit screenshots and stuff like that, that I will be judging them very harshly and that no holds barred, so, they signed up for this contract, they agreed to it. Let's go. Like my headphones? Okay, you know what? You didn't have a lot of space. You got Discord open. Yeah, you got too many Discord servers, man. Put them in a little group like this, you know? You've got your wall-mounted, what looks like an LG TV. Whatever the hell this mouse is. Is that an RGB headphone stand? Like, and a mini arcade is that a fucking RGB headphone stand? My dude, you are gaming on a wall-mounted TV on a desk the size of a peanut, and you've got an RGB headphone stand. They got the Oculus Rift Go. Go for it. RGB keyboard that costs maybe $10. Shitty mouse. Our gaming PC. Nothing fancy. Your cable management is atrocious. Nice homework, loser. And looks like we got something MSI case or MSI crap. Yeah, and a PS4. Yeah, nothing really interesting about this one. Let's move on. And it's just a PlayStation with a keyboard. So we have what looks like, again, Corsair. That's definitely Corsair. Yeah, that's Corsair. BeamNG. Okay, not a bad game choice. We got a Razer Death Adder of some kind. And a pre-built. That's got to be a pre-built, right? No, is that the Thermaltake case? You didn't show me what are your specs, my dude? And you've duct taped your cables to the table badly. How do you fuck that up? You duct tape your cables to the desk badly. It's duct tape. How do you fuck it up? You know, like, it's really not that hard to duct tape. Here, watch. Look at that. See? Perfectly duct taped. Not that hard. Next setup looks like we've got some kind. Again, these look like pre-builts. This looks like high power. Looks like you're using a graphics card stand. Actually, no. I could see this being I could see this being built. Expensive ass keyboard for pretentious people. Corsair mouse for pretentious people. And mousepad for pretentious people. You know what? I love the color. I don't really understand this weeb shit here, so I'm just gonna move on. And it looks like you have RGB Cancer software. Oh, NZXT. Yeah, you've got Cancer on your computer. I'm sorry, it only has 3 days left to live because I'm gonna come beat the shit out. And this is a MacBook with a okay. Okay. I know it's probably the camera, but I absolutely want to know what keyboard this is because it is so bright. So that kid James, tell me what keyboard this is. Then we've got an HP laptop with that's still not okay. Then we've got what looks like, now we can judge people's specs choices. So we got a Ryzen 5 3600. This is the only processor with this boxing specifically, so it's 3600. We've got what looks like a 600BR. Okay, pretty good budget power supply. A 1660 Super, a dual mini, whatever that is. The worst case ever built, and what looks like an open box. That, correct me if I'm wrong, but Ryuk on Discord, RYUK. If you're watching this video, please tell me that is an open box motherboard from Micro Center. Although Micro Center usually puts stickers on the front of their processor, so maybe not. But that's got to be an open box from Micro Center. They do that shit. I could be wrong. RGB, okay. I mean, blue seems to be the theme here. Microphone, okay, wannabe. You've got 2 monitors that, I mean, they look stupid. I hate them. And a pretentious board keyboard, yeah, and on a desk that looks like it was made for children. And it looks like you've plugged a DualShock controller into your computer like an asshole. Moving on, you've got a PlayStation 5. Congratulations. Oh, and a Wii. You know what? I love you. Wii, great. PlayStation 5, fuck yourself. Then we've got another laptop with a screen. You know, these screens cost a lot of money. You could just buy a new computer. Keyboard. Gatorade bottle. Oh! Okay, Zinx. Now we're getting into the real setups. Looks like we've got someone trying to live stream Fortnite. I hate you. We look like we have people who use... Wait, is that a CyberPower logo? Does CyberPower make... Yeah, that is a CyberPower logo. Does CyberPower... And that's the fans they use. Oh, no. I have the same fucking computer. Yeah, this is that CyberPower build that only dipshits buy from, like, Best Buy. This is one of their pre-built systems. Yeah, classic Fortnite kid. Classic Fortnite kid, man. Classic Fortnite shitter with his CyberPower pre-built. Classic Fortnite IQ. 7. Born to legit. Longtime Discord member. Looks like we've got a Dell Optiplex from the year 1947. How was World War II? And we've got a USB mic that will not be as good as the one that a sponsor sent me, trust me. Non-existent. Fuck yourself. Yeah, congrats, you're a devil worshipper. Until I win a giveaway. You know what? Fuck you. Moving on. Nice RAM stick, dude. Did you build it yourself? Looks like we've got a Ryzen 5 1400 or something similar. There's no way it's better than that. It can't be. And then we've got what looks like a GT 710 or something. Nothing special here, but it could be a 1050 actually. No power connector. So we're anywhere from GT 710 to GTX 1050 at the high end. Actually, there are 1050 Ti's. GTX 1050 Ti at the high end. I did ask for specs. Okay, this dude needs to stop posting other people's setups. Mythic Timmy, Tildo. Mythic wannabe. So you got a Blue Yeti mic because you're stupid. A BenQ monitor from the year 1920. And a HyperX keyboard. Fucking love HyperX. Old HyperX. Fucking best peripherals when Kingston owned them. Now HP owns them. And a laptop because you needed it for school or something. And a mouse pad. i5-8265U. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 and UHD graphics 620. Nice Ultrabook. Tachi says, "Go ahead, mock me." And where'd you get your SATA cable? Fucking stupid kid school. Actually, it probably came with the board because the board has blue ports. We're looking at what? 2nd gen Intel, usually. That power supply is an IED. Or it's made really well. There's only 2 options. And a floppy drive. Or not a floppy. God, I'm old. It looks like we've got a optical drive. Specs. GTX 1060, 8750H laptop. A bunch of Razer shit. And what is that? What is that screensaver? What is that? What is that? Oh, no. I don't know, man. Oh, that's not right. I don't know what it is, but that's... This image? It's a stock image. Decent laptop from SteelSeries, so shit company, decent laptop. 6700K and a power cooler R9 Fury X. Fucking R9 Fury X gang. Let's fucking go. Best graphics card to ever exist, R9 Fury X. Cat picture. Because you're a bitch. Let's see. Subwoofer under the desk. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Usually subwoofers are down, so. Hell yeah. R9 Fury X with a power supply made in 2006. And a Be Quiet. That is a Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. That's the name. I was going to say Big Cooler Boy. I got one of those. They sent me one. It's very nice. R9 Fury X, still the best card ever released. Ever. And then we've got what looks like an HP. Actually, there's some video graphics in that HP. Right? Probably like MX300 or something. Yeah, 940 MX. Okay, I was close. I've had a GTX 940. Ryzen 7 4700U, no graphics card. Why? Why would they make a 4700G with no graphics card? What are you going to do with that? You get Radeon graphics, they can work. PS4 with the TV. Did I ask for your PS4? AMD A6 5400K. Some random 1TB hard drive. That's a PlayStation. That's called a fucking PlayStation. I don't see your all-in-one. Unless this is the all-in-one. And you bought a pre-built from... Wait, no, that's a Cooler Master... Yeah, someone probably built that. This actually trash of a laptop. Does it work for the games I play? Yes. AMD Radeon HD 7420G. Hold on, is this a Radeon HD laptop? Respect for the Radeon HD laptop. Best setup. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Best setup. Okay, this is the last one we're gonna look at because I find this fucking awesome. I'm gonna say this right now. I find this build fucking awesome. This is by BGC S10000. Now, S10000, I think I know what that's from. Yeah. Xeon E5 2680 V4 with an AMD FirePro S10000 12GB. So that's a dual GPU card to my knowledge. And 32 gigs of ECC DDR4, X99 motherboard, you know, pretty shitty PSU and everything, but I love this. You got the Chinese board. You got the Chinese Intel ripoff cooler. You got the power supply that I can't see but has weird cables that are terribly managed. You've got the passive FirePro S10000. I love you. I will buy... I don't know if you're from the US, my friend. If you're watching this video, I doubt it, but if you are, I will buy that graphic. I will buy this system from you, but I will buy this graphics card from you. I want it. I want this S10. It's a dual GPU, 6 gigs per card, so 6 gigs usable. Dual GPU graphics card that he somehow has managed to use for gaming and such, and I want it very bad. So hit me up if I can have it, and we can work something out. If I have to trade you a better card, I will try. I want this and NVMe SSD because Chinese board. So that's it for part 1. If you guys somehow like this video, honest to God, I do not believe any of you will like this video. It's so fucking bad. Like, I just sat here with 2 recordings going at the same time, one for the camera, one for the screen. I was like, fuck it. I love this build. So BGC S10000. Shoot me a DM. I want to buy your card if you're from the US. If you're not, we'll work something out. I still want your card. Give you $200 for it. That's besides the point. Hold on. Why is this coming off? That's it. I'm going to take this off. So, okay. This duct tape was apparently, you know, like, man. All right, let's try this time. And took off some hair. Okay, I give up. The bit was ruined by shitty duct tape. Well, that's besides the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you just kind of enjoyed. If you want to see a part 2, because I have like 50 more setups in this Discord, or you want to see a different style of this video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!